Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's lab for Argo GitOps. Today, we're going to install a Argo CD app using YAML. To do this, we need access to, let's clear the screen here, access to a cluster, which I do. It's a one node cluster on GKE, super cheap, cost me 3 to 4 cents an hour. All right, so now we're going to grab the YAML from this. Okay, let's see where that takes us. Okay. Argo CD, simple file, quick reference. Oh, this is just general configuration. I just need an app. Applications. A minimal applications is okay. We'll do that. We'll copy that, and we'll come here and we will call it simple Argo CD app.yaml. That doesn't look right. CD app.yaml. Paste it in. Basically, it looks like it's pointing to a repo that has a bunch of stuff. It's pointing to the head of the repo. I think it installs a guestbook application or something like that. It doesn't really matter for our case. We just want to deploy an application that's part of Argo CD that could be synced if we wanted to. So k apply -f the YAML file. This, by the way, uses CRD. CRD is a custom resource definition. I will show you that one more time. See this thing here. This is not a standard Kubernetes thing. Something that comes with Argo CD, which I happen to have installed on the cluster. All right, so that's that. Now we can test this. We can look I have the Argo CD CLI installed. So Argo CD app list, and there's the app. We can get the configuration of detailed configuration of that. We can say Argo CD app get name of the app, and you get all the details. Sync is allowed. Auto sync because we haven't actually do that. Something went wrong with the syncing. That's why it's not syncing. I think this source repo has a problem. So it doesn't matter for our lab. We installed the app and it had issues. That's not relevant to this. So we've done that. Let's see. Is it in sync? No, it is not because the source repo has issues. Let's see, I wonder, there will be no pods here because the pods that you see, yeah, and then even if I do Argos namespace Argo CD, you will see no app. These are not the one that we want. These are from previous installations. Doesn't matter, doesn't relate to the guestbook application because it never got synced, so it never got installed. So, but if the source repo was good, you would have pods running in here because it would sync. What it will do is it will go and grab all the YAML configurations in the repo and then install all, just basically run kubectl apply on those, and whatever's there, it could be config mag, it could be secret, it could be pods, whatever's in the YAML file, it will sync. It will install them in the cluster that we're talking to. Not only that, if the sync policy is auto, if we make a change in the Git repo, it will go and grab it immediately and install the new versions of the thing. That's the whole idea of continuous deployment on Kubernetes cluster using Argo CD. So I hope you found this lab useful. If you did, please like and subscribe. That really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. And I will see you next time.